Looking to add money to your eBay account, whether you're paying for purchases or managing your seller funds, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to add money to eBay account. Unlike some online platforms, eBay doesn't have a traditional wallet where you deposit money. Instead, payments are handled through linked payment methods like PayPal, credit or debit cards, or bank transfer. To add that, you can go ahead and head over into your account settings, and here click on the payments button. Now, on the payments settings, you can go ahead and add your cards and account. And here you need to provide your card number, CVV, expiration date, along with your first name and last name. So after that, you need to hit on the add button and add that as your payment method. Now, when you buy something, eBay will charge the link payment method. If you're a seller, your earnings from sales will be automatically deposited into your linked bank account or PayPal. Either way, if you're a buyer or a seller on eBay, there is no option. Keep the money on the application itself, since eBay doesn't have a wallet. And that's how you can simply add money to your eBay account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.